What's good, YouTube? We're back with Angelina Jordan. Someone Like You. But the sound is enhanced. 4K. It's enhanced. It's going to be good. All right, let's get it. Someone like you.
I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. I guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face, that you'll be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you.
Let's go.
Too. Don't forget me. I'll sometimes it lasts is love, and sometimes it hurts instead.
Lovely.
Sometimes it lasts is love, and sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah. You know how the time flies. Only yesterday was the time of our lives, and we were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue, but invited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face, and that you'll be reminded that for me it isn't over.
Time out before we hit the hook again. Beautiful little cover here of Someone Like You. Angelina at 13. She's been killing it. She's been killing it for a while, right? She was at 13 here. Sound enhanced on the year of 2019? I don't know. Anyways, I'm guessing she's 13 here. Incredible voice.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me. I'll beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, their memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me. I'll beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts to love, sometimes it hurts to stay.
Sometimes.
sincere.
Nice.
Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Awesome. Laters! Incredible for that age, man. Hey. Good old Angelina. Let's see what chat has to say. Another good cover. Let's go, Angelina. Adele song, yes. She is so elegant, a true diva. Facts. Let him know. Anyways, yes. That was beautiful. But I'm out of here, alas. On to the next videos. If you're new, hit that subscribe. Hey. And show Angelina some love. Her channel link will be in the description below. Don't forget to be a light to others around you. I'll see you in the next videos. Brandon out.